together make the world a beautiful garden. By this beautiful thought, on this pleasant morning, I welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Creative Coordinator Ma'am, beloved teachers, and all lovely students to the special assembly of our school. You know why this day is special? Children, do you know why this day is special? What is that? Yes, this is the Children's Day. That is the day of yours. We have a lot of exciting programs to entertain you on this special day. Now, let us start our school assembly.
School, attention! Standard is attention! Tamil Taiwan. School, long salute. Order. School, long song.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others with respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and to my people, I bless my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, along lies my happiness. Full prayer. God is in my head and in my understanding. God is in my eyes and in my looking. God is in my mouth and in my thinking. God is in my heart and in my thinking. God is in my end and at my liberty. A new day begins with a new thought, new strength, and new endless possibilities. To brighten this day, I would like to call upon Nimita Malaman for thought for the day. Hello everyone, good morning. Thought for the day. The foundation of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. We have heard the thought in English. Now we are going to hear in our mother Tamil Tirukural.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். இணைய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நான் உங்கள் முன் 2 திருக்குறள் மற்றும் அதன் விளக்கங்களை கூற இருக்கிறேன். முதல் குறள். ஒருமைக்கண் தான் பெற்ற கல்வி ஒருவருக்கு எழுமையும் ஏமாவும் உடைத்து. விளக்கம். ஒருவன் ஒரு பிறவியில் கற்ற கல்வியானது அவனது 7 பிறவிக்கும் பயனுடையதாக அமையும். குறள் 2. உலகத்தோடு ஒட்ட ஒழுகல் பல கற்றும் கல்லார் அறிவிலாதார். விளக்கம். ஒருவன் கல்வி அறிவில் சிறந்தவனாக இருந்தாலும் அவன் உலகத்தோடு இணைந்து வாழவில்லை எனில் அவன் கல்லாதவனாகவே கருதப்படுவான். நன்றி.
Thank you, ma'am. The ocean of knowledge is endless. We should take it for general knowledge in an internal part of our life. For this, now I invite Ms. Vasanta and Sri Devi for delivering some general knowledge questions.
Let me introduce my friend with you. She is Vasanta, myself Sri Devi. We are here to ask some GK questions. Question number 1. What is the study of birds called? I repeat the question. What is the study of birds called? Do you know the answer? Come on, stage.
May I say the answer? Ornithology. Answer is correct.
Question number 2. What atom has only one electron? What atom has only one electron? Do you know the answer?
Hydrogen. Answer is correct.
Question number 3. Which organ purifies our blood? I repeat the question. Which organ purifies our blood?
Do you know the answer? Kidney. Answer is correct.
Question number 4. Which gas makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere? I repeat the question. Which gas makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere?
Do you know the answer? May I say the answer, ma'am? It is nitrogen. Answer is correct. you, ma'am. Is tartaric acid? Answer is correct. Thank you all. Happy Children's Day. The world is full of new facts every day. To recall some amazing facts of our world, I would like to call upon Miss Premalata. Good morning, one adult person here. I am Premalata, here to present about facts. Plastic bags and other plastic products that are thrown in the ocean will kill 1 million sea creatures each year. Earth is not a perfect actually sphere shape. It is actually shape called oblate spheroid. Thank you. How many of you have read the newspaper today? Okay, I know most of you couldn't read newspaper in the morning busy world. Now, I call upon Ms. Indu to deliver the news of the day. Good morning, children. Today's news. 714 law students received their degrees at Dr. Ambedkar University. 84,812 candidates out of 1,17,846 get admission through TNEA counseling. Our rise in illegal fishing, Navy monitored over 200 Chinese vessels in Indian Ocean. Amateur direct officials to identify 100 infiltrators in every state and deport them. Sports. Vijay Hazare Trophy. Tamil Nadu rose to victory over Andhra Pradesh. Japan women claimed blind football Asian title. Thank you. Happy Children's Day. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable news reading. Children whose birthday